Who wants to slime Ben 10? Some noise in there, some noise in there. Who wants to slime Mary Poppins? There's one. Who wants to slime Happy? Happy! I think you're leading right now. Where's she going? She really thinks she's going to get away with that? Who wants to slime? Again, these have not been influenced, huh? We didn't say anything to try to change these votes. Who wants to slime Angel? Nobody wants to slime me, so we'll just keep me. So let's slime Angel.
Can I use my personal protection equipment?
Of course, do so. Safety first. Safety first. Who wants to slime me? Nobody, right? Oh, and who wants to slime Mad Max?
Who wants to slime him?
There you go. What are you doing, man? What do you do to Angel, man? Why does she want to slime you so bad? Yes, you have to slime it. It's a goodbye present, buddy. So be a good sport.
Or you want to just what? Just me?
Alright guys, who wants to see Angel getting slimed by herself? Who wants poor Mad Max to share the torture with her? Mad Max, you're getting slimed. Alright. Now before we get them slimed, guys, please, if your kids want to take pictures with our youth staff that gets slimed, make sure you guys take them from the first step, okay? Don't let them get too close to it. And do not touch the slime, it's slime. Alright, so please, from the first step, we'll give you guys a couple of minutes so you can take pictures. Now kids, listen up. Do you guys know how to count from 10 to 0? Are you sure? Parents, are your kids, do your kids actually know how to count from 10 to 0? Yeah? Alright. So this is what we're going to do, okay? We're going to get them ready. And when I say 10, you guys are going to start counting down with me, okay? Alright. Angel, you ready? Thumbs up?
Oh, yeah.
Mad Max, are you ready? Thumbs up? Alright, ready guys?
Ready.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big applause for them for being good sports. Make sure you take them from the first step. You're more than welcome. We get to the end of our talent show with this. We thank you guys for cruising with World Caribbean. In name of your cruise director, Graham, your adventure ocean manager, Brett, myself, your assistant adventure ocean manager, Ricky, all the youth staff that have been great with your kids this whole week. Thank you very much. Enjoy your last day at sea. Thank you guys.